see myself. Sup?
Don't get me on video.
I'm not. Girl, why are you so upset about this?
You just fucking look up what they do, Chloe. Look up all the awful things they've done.
Kitty!
I know you're recording.
Chandel. Aw, you're so cute.
Don't get me on video.
Why?
Because I don't want to be on video.
Oh, that's cute. Chandel, come here. Come here. No. Reject it. Dude, get her an elastic. Sneaking up. Why am I so funny today? Can you hear her purring? I can. Don't run away. Oh, come on. Oh, that's cute. I think Gabrielle's depressed about a church.
It's a hate group, not a church.
Same thing. I mean, no.
Yeah, basically.
No, it's not. Churches are not hate groups. Just that one is.
Yay.
I like cats.
I posted a rant about how much I hate Shirley Phelps. Zach liked it and posted Kill It With Fire. He's like the only one who fucking knows about it. Because they ran from Canada. And stop getting me on video.
I like cats.